oi, oi, oi. Fast as fuck, man. All right. Oi, oi, oi. This is actually quite nice, but what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna put it in manual mode. This is manual, all right. Then I'm gonna zoom in a little bit because I don't know the road. Third gear. So a lot of turbo pressure, feels very, very comfortable. That's actually a quick ass car, man. This is really, really quick. Surprisingly quick. This feels very, very stable and nice. And the power is immense, man. Wow. The power is really incredible. The brakes are also very good. Let me drive through that forest here. Very sharp in turning. This is actually very surprising for me. And the 4-cylinder revs up to over 7,000 RPM. So stable. The brakes are also very good. This is actually very surprising, man. I mean, it's the Entrance AMG model, and I have to admit, this is very, very, like it says here, powerful and interesting to drive. This is the first time ever that I've driven one of those, and the last time that I drove a 45, like a 2-liter engine of AMG, is when I tested an A45 AMG. So that is, I mean, that's bonkers, man. This is really crazy. All right, so what can we do now? Turn off the ESP, press both pedals, drift mode active. Very fast car, very fast. Now we are in drift mode. I want to find out how it... A little bit of oversteer, that's what I like. Let's see. Turn here. Very interesting experience, man. Very interesting. Surprisingly fast. All right, we can't drift, but I just wanted to find out how drift mode is. ESP is off. Let me turn it on again. Now we are not in drift mode anymore. But look how it takes on those corners. Let me brake here and wait for the guy here. This feels very, very fast. This is actually a lot of fun, I'm not gonna lie. The car is insanely fast, man. It's insanely fast. Really, and this engine, it really is not the typical turbo engine experience where you step on the throttle and you wait, and then all of a sudden it comes. No. Watch this. No, I mean, we're too fast, man. Much too fast. But how can you resist? I mean, it's really an incredible drive. I mean, watch how high it revs. You saw that? And it didn't shift up. 7,200 RPM, and the power really comes after 4,000 or 5,000 RPM. So you really feel. I'm almost gonna say they made it a little bit like a naturally aspirated engine, so that the power comes later on the RPM spectrum. But this is really insane. I'm kind of actually very surprised. I mean, of course the sound from the outside is basically shit, but in here it is a very interesting experience. I have to admit, there is nothing to say different than that. It's a very fast car and it feels very good, very high quality. Going into a corner is very nice. Accelerating out of the corner, very nice. Shifts insanely fast. It happens right now, instantly. So driver's experience, nothing to tell you but positive stuff, man. Insane.